Hello guys, we need to create a logo for our website and we are going to be using Canva to create a simple logo for our website. So I'm just going to go to canva.com. When it brings us here, we are going to simply search for logo because we want to make a logo. So just come here and search for logo. Then you're going to see all logos here. Then we're just going to choose one. Let's click on one. Then we have this beautiful logo. We can customize it to anyhow we want, but let me see if we can have go to design, then click on design, then go to just type logo again. Then it's going to bring a logo for you. You can choose the type of logo you want, or we can narrow it down to what we want: e-commerce logo. So we type e-commerce logo here. You can see you have a lot of just choose e-commerce store logo. Then it's going to bring out all of these ones for you. I think I like this one. You can go back to design, select more logos. Check this one out. Okay, you can go back to design, check again. You can see anyone that you like, then you can use it. So I'll just come back to this place. I think I like this one, guys. What do you think? I like this logo. Okay, look at this one. Let's try this. Just click on it. Then it's going to bring up this option for you. Then you just click on customize this template. So I'm just going to change the name to I'm just going to change the name to the name we want to use, which is Elliot. Good. So this is what we want. This is okay. You can extend this one. Okay. Great. So this is good, but I think it's big. So we can just group all of them by highlighting everything and then clicking on group. Then this way we can reduce the size to this. This is okay. PP Elliott Hub. This is great. So I can just download this as my logo. I can download it without background so that it will fit anywhere that I put it. Okay. So I'll just click on download, then transparent background. I'm going to choose this one, then download. Great. So our logo is set, and that is how to get your logo from Canva. You can just get any kind of logo you want. You just come to design here, type any kind of logo. If you're a restaurant, you can type restaurant logo. You can see, you can type restaurant logo. You can see, and it's going to give you a lot of logos. If you're a fashion designer, you can just type fashion logo, and then it's going to bring out a lot of logos for you to choose from and customize to become yours. All right, so this is actually nice, but you need to take note that Canva Pro, this is Canva Pro, this one you have this university cap. So you say this premium template is included in your Canva for education plan. So if you don't have a Canva Pro, you may not have access to some of the logos here. So you're limited when you don't have a Canva Pro. Okay, however, you have a lot of free uh templates that you can use here to design your logo. Okay, so you can just browse around and see whichever one that you like. You can just customize it to make it yours.